Alright, let's start with the obvious. Mick Jagger is out here making the rest of us feel ancient. Dude just turned 83, right? And what's he doing? Not sipping prune juice on a porch swing, he's under a disco ball, shaking what his mama gave him to a new Rolling Stones track. Meanwhile, I'm 35 and my back cracks if I bend down to pet my dog. What even is life anymore? But wait, this isn't just a grandpa still got it flex. Let's unpack this. Jagger's new album Foreign Tongues dropped in July, and apparently, the man's not just phoning it in. He's out here promoting it by hitting clubs, dancing, and acting like he doesn't have a single care about gravity or mortality. Which raises the question, is Jagger human? Like, physically, yes, but spiritually? He's some ageless rock and roll entity that's been bargaining with Dionysus since the 60s. Now, here's the twist, Jagger himself admits aging is a nightmare. In that New York Times interview, he's like, you don't gain wisdom, you just forget stuff. Also, my knees hate me. But then he turns around and does this club performance. So, is he lying to himself? Or is this the ultimate flex of rockstar delusion? Because let's be real, half of rock's allure is the rebellion against limits. Jagger's whole career's been a middle finger to authority, mortality, and now, apparently, biology. And what about the fans' reactions? People are losing it online. Mick at 83 has more energy than me at 30. Yeah, but here's the thing, we're idolizing this as some kind of miracle. Why? Because we've bought into this toxic idea that aging has to mean slowing down. Jagger's not magic, he's just refusing to perform old age the way society expects. Which is amazing, but also, why do we find that shocking? Shouldn't we be normalizing vitality at any age instead of treating it like a circus act? Then there's the tour talk. Jagger's like, maybe we'll tour, maybe we'll do residencies, IDK, ask Keith. But here's my take, the Stones aren't just touring for the money. They're doing it because they have to. That's their oxygen. And honestly, watching octogenarian rockers shred a stage might be the closest we'll ever get to proof that souls exist. Because there's no way that level of passion dies just because your driver's license says 83. So here's the real takeaway, Mick Jagger's summer isn't just a flex. It's a manifesto. A reminder that aging gracefully is overrated. Why gracefully exit a room when you can storm out in sequins, leaving a trail of glitter and existential crises? Next time you feel too old for something, just imagine Mick hearing that voice in his head, and then doing it harder. Because the alternative is letting age define you. And apparently, that's a bridge too far, even for a guy who forgot all his wisdom.